We're going to install the extension for Wikimedia Commons in OpenRefine. So starting in the OpenRefine documentation at openrefine.org, you want to find installing extensions. And there's two ways to do it. We're going to do the one where we make it available to all future updates to OpenRefine so that we'll still have the extension if we update the main program. So the first thing you have to do is locate your workspace directory. So follow that link and copy that. Now it's not the most obvious thing to find on a Mac because it's a hidden library file. So once you've got that address, go to your Finder and then go to Folder is the option you want here, and you can paste in that address. For some reason there's an extra slash in it. Take that out and there you go. You should be able to find, you'll know you're in the right place once you've got that folder because it's got all your OpenRefine projects in it. I've already created an empty folder called extensions. Just make a new folder if you need to. Then go back to the documentation. And it has a link there for how to get to the extension software. So first it takes you to downloading OpenRefine. There's another link to get to extensions. That's all the possible extensions. We want the Commons one. Once you've got here, if you scroll down a bit, you'll see that there's the same instructions that I'm giving you about how to create an extensions folder and where to put it on a Mac. So this is a useful page to look at if you prefer written instructions. But in here is the link to get to the extension itself under latest release of this extension. And this page has, historic versions as well. But we'll take the latest one, which is 0.13 for us. So I'm just going to download this zip file, and then I'm going to put it in that extensions folder that I created earlier. And then I'm going to extract the compressed files, and you'll see it makes all these nice little folders that it needs. It's all well and good, and that's the extension installed. So if I go to OpenRefine, you'll see I have this Wikimedia Commons option. That allows me to start a new project from a category on Wikimedia Commons. So if I pick a recently created one, Files from the University of Otago, select the category and click Next, it's going to immediately get all the names of those images in that category. And once you go ahead and create the project, it will do really useful things like showing you thumbnails of the images, which is very useful if you want to work on things like depict statements or other structured data. And that's it.